Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download and install Parrot Security OS 6.4 on VirtualBox. First go to Parrot OS official website, that is parrotsec.org. Hit enter. See here the latest release is 6.4. Okay, then click on download. Then see here we have the three options: live, virtual and IoT. In this video I am going to download and install live, which means ISO image. Select it, or see here we have Docker Debian conversion script or WSL method. Okay, so click on live. Then see here we have the three types of editions: HTTP, HTTP, home and security. I am going to install security edition. Click on it. Then select the architecture. See, once we select all these options, see here now we have the option to download this. If you click on download, it will be direct download. So click on download. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 5.4 gigabytes. I'm cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. See here. Okay, in your case wait until download completes. Once download completes, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating system, or go through this video description. Then click on new or machine and select new. Both are same to create the new virtual machine. Then provide the name. I am giving Parrot Sec 634 VM1. Name can be anything. Then select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders, and this is a default location. If you want some other location, then select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Then select the ISO image. Go to downloads. See here I have the Parrot OS ISO Security 6.4 ISO image. Select it and click on open. See, once we select it, type change it to Linux or type to Debian and version is 64-bit Debian. Okay, then go to hardware. Then memory I am giving 4 gigabytes. It is up to you based on availability. Number of processors I am giving 2. Then hard disk, by default it is 20 gigabytes. I am giving 50. Whatever you want in this range. Okay, then click on finish. See, virtual machine is created. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or just select here and click on settings, or go to machine and settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start. Maximize it, use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is try or install, and hit enter. See, let me maximize it. See, you got the full screen, but see, this is for testing purpose. Okay, so this is not permanent. So if you want to install it permanently, then right click on this install Debian icon and open. Now select the language. See here Parrot OS 6.4 Lorikit. Click on next. Then select the time zone by selecting region and zone, or you can select on globe like India, or anywhere you want you can select. And if you want to change the system language, click on here. And if you want to change numbers and date locals, you have to click on the change. I am okay with the default, so click on next. Select the keyboard model. I am okay with the defaults, so click on next. Now select the storage. I am going with erase disk because this is a fresh installation. Then click on next. Now we have to create or set up user. So I am giving username as R2schools. This is the, see, this is user full name, this is the username, this is the host name or computer name. Later also you can change it, but I am changing now. Provide the password for this user. Then click on next. See, this is a pre-installation summary. Review these settings one more time. If you want to modify any one of these settings, then click on back and you can edit. And if you are okay with all the settings, then click on install. See, this is the confirmation. Click on install now. See, installation has been started. I am going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. You may restart into your new system or continue using Parrot Security live environment. Okay. So select the checkbox that is restart now and go to here. Remove this one. Remove this from virtual drive. Then click on force on mount. Then go to here. Then click on done. See, if you are unable to reboot, shut down, power off the virtual machine. Again, click on start. Now provide your password for this username. Notice here, before we were having install Parrot on desktop. Now it is gone. Now open terminal. If you want to increase the font size, go to edit, profiles, edit, then select the checkbox, then font, increase the font, select it, close this one, close this one. Now verify the version more/etc OS-release. See, we have installed 6.4 and its ID is like Debian. Quit. Control. The first step after connecting to Debian is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Type for confirmation and hit enter. See, packages are up to date. Now go to applications. See, here we have the pen testing. In pen testing, see, here we have different sections. Bob suit, information gathering, vulnerability analysis, and more. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to download and install Parrot Security OS 6.4 on VirtualBox. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.